developing a medicine and also shortens the time to develop a vaccine.
AI is playing a great role in various departments. So, Apurva, I want to know from you, what are the disadvantages of AI? For example, in deepfake videos and cybersecurity, how it's impacting humans?
See, talking about deepfakes, AI enables highly realistic manipulated videos. We can where the AI can manipulate the audience, and the misinformation can definitely damage someone's reputations and human sentiments. So, if we see the current scenario, 90% of the deepfake videos are pornographic, which are there on internet, and most of them are women's. Especially our public figures, like currently, if we see Alia Bhatt, Rashmika Mandan was they were trapped in this deepfake creation.
Somehow AI is taking the jobs by creating a new thing. So what do you think that AI will create or take a lots of job in upcoming future? Chandan, I want to know from you, what do you think? It will create a job?
In my opinion, I agree with you that AI is taking jobs, but in that job doesn't require humans. For example, when we look back into time, there was a job for postmasters, postmen who used to post letters, and now that job is replaced by the email. So this is the nature of technology, to replace jobs. But in my opinion, AI is helping in humans to be more self-reliant, because a human can learn many different skills at the same time. For example, game development, website development, content creation, copywriting, and many things. These skills that requires a long period of time to learn can be combined and can be used to convert into a product, and that product can be sold, and that product can create a wealth for a person.
Apurva, I want to know from you, what do you think about this?
See, if you're talking about customer service, I think you should do your homework properly. We have several areas, like rural areas, where still the postman process works, and they are illiterate, they are not able to read it, so the postman reads the letter for them. We all know that in several areas this process still goes on, and I think lack of human touch is there in AI, which no one can take place. And talking about the unemployment, so the employment rate is decreasing day by day because of AI. AI is taking several jobs, and people are not able to work.
Let's take some questions from audience. Anybody wants to ask any question?
So my question from the expert is that how we can create a balance between the risk and challenges of AI, as it is now widely spread. The use of AI is widely spread now these days. So how we can make a balance between its risk and challenges, like benefits and risk.
See, I think first of all we should tell the audience, we should aware the audience that AI is just a tool, and people should also use other resources like websites, books, journals, and they should know the limit of using AI and getting dependent on such kind of things. And people should also upskill themselves as much as they can according to their respective fields.
Okay. So at the last, I want to ask you both how humans should use the AI in the balanced manner.
AI should be, first of all, AI should be taught in schools, AI should be taught in colleges.
ऑडियंस का जब पूछो सवाल तो एक बार में दो तीन भी लोगों से पूछ लो, क्योंकि बार-बार कैमरा नहीं उतारेगा ना.
AI should be a part of a curriculum, whether it's in jobs or in schools or in colleges. And with AI, critical thinking should be promoted, because I agree with Apurva that deep fakes can hurt human sentiments, and this problem can only be solved by the ability to think critically and separate your views, separate the views of separate fake opinions.
Apurva, what do you think about
I completely agree with Chandan that one should use AI in a limited manner, and we should implement some policies in at a lower level, that is high schools, that teachers and professors should taught the children that how much one should be dependent on AI, and they should also aware the students that one should upskill themselves. Yeah, that's all.
Thank you, Purva. Today we have discussed the various aspects of AI, how it is helping or affecting humans. Today we have discussed about AI, artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching.
पता नहीं इसका भरोसा
स्टैम्प पेपर कैंसिल कर दिया था बाद में।
वही तो बाद में
₹100 का था।
मैंने नहीं किया था।
बाद में
से नीचे नहीं जाएगा।
कितनी भी जाए मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता। 86 है मेरी तो सब में।
मेरी 77 है।
सब में
अरे कोई मैट्रिक पर 75 क्लास फेल हो जाएगी, मेरे को बढ़ता टमाटर में बुलाना पड़ता है।
सुनो लाइव है और ऐसा वो ठीक है अभी बंद है, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ मत बोलो कि पता चला वो ऑन हो जाए उधर और चला जाए, ठीक है?
दीवार का सब चला जाएगा।
आ जाइए
सर रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट कर दिया।
Galgotias University is the best.
भाई पानी
अरे यहाँ कॉफी मंगवाए आज हमको स्पॉट था तो बना दिया वो पता नहीं
12 बजे
12 बजे होगा।
कुछ पता नहीं है।
सेक्शन 2 होगा क्या उसमें? मेरे तो नंबर साइन के आगे
नहीं भाई किसी का नहीं हुआ है।
मैनेजमेंट इज वेरी गुड।
सुबह पूरा कह रही थी सेक्शन 1 वाले का, तो मेरे को मूवी रिव्यू
ही बता दो।
वेरी गुड भाई फैकल्टीज और
किसने कह दिया?
मैम अपने
मैंने फेक कर दी।
माफ कर दो।
This CR is very
वेरी गुड वेरी बैड सीआर।
नहीं भाई बहुत प्यारी सी यार तुम्हारी क्लास की।
हां 11:30 के बाद
यही करी देती है।
पर कैसा आज हमारे साथ
AI वाला ही करना है।
हाँ आइए कंटेंट का क्या कहना है चंदन सिंह।
काउंटडाउन इन 3 seconds.
हाँ भाई
थोड़ा सिमी बैक टू योर प्लेस थोड़ा सा। अपूर्वा थोड़ा इन करो।
चंदन से फ्रेम में चंदन
ये सही करो उसका तो। चलो ठीक है।
सुनो जब प्रेक्षक बता देगी ना तो कोई
चलो,
और
हो गया एक्शन।
artificial intelligence is not a substitute for human intelligence. It is a tool to amplify human creativity. Hello and welcome, I am Simi Soni. Today we are going to discuss about the various aspects of artificial intelligence, its advantages and disadvantages with our experts. Today we have Apurva Jha, student journalist from department. On the other hand, we have Chandan Singh, a bright student from Mass Comm department. So Chandan, I want to ask you, what do you think? What is AI and how it works?
So AI is basically computer processes that can help humans delegate their daily tasks such as researching, writing, cleaning, and can also help them in learning new skills such as web development and game development, etc.
Apurva, what do you think about this? AI works.
I completely agree with Chandan that AI is helping humans in several ways, but currently if we see that humans are completely dependent on AI and it has several disadvantages.
As you have said that AI have a various disadvantages. So Chandan, I want to know from you how AI is playing its role in education, how students are using it in positive manner.
There are many private tutors available, private AI tutors available that are helping students in learning new skills. For example, if someone is having a problem with maths, AI can solve their math problem, help them in simplifying things, explaining the different problems of maths, science, physics, etc., etc.
Yeah, as you're saying that AI is helping the students in a positive manner, but somehow we see students of college and schools are using in a negative manner. They are doing their assignments which is completely not good for them. So Puru, what do you think about this? How AI is affecting students?
See, over-reliance on anything is not good. And currently we see the scenario that many of the students, whether it's school students or college students, are completely dependent on AI, and they are using AI for their homework, their research, their assignments, reports, everything. So I think the lack of a human influence is missing, and the one-to-one conversation between a teacher or a student is missing, and students are not doing it by the originality of their work is missing, and due to this the development and the engagement of a particular student is lacking somewhere.
Instead of education, AI is also playing a great role in media industry, whether it is a healthcare industry. So Chandan, I want to ask you how AI is playing its role in health sectors and different sectors, IT sectors for a positive change.
First, healthcare centers, like AI is playing a huge role in healthcare systems. For example, drugs are being developed at a much faster pace just because of AI. AI surgical robots are also there that also prevents the error done by a human in a surgery. AI is also providing personalized analysis that is done by a doctor, but it can also be done through AI and in a very cost-effective manner.
There is a lots of advantages of AI, but at some point if we see at social media, there's a lots of deep fake videos are going viral because of AI, and also in cyber security there's a lots of disadvantages and people are misusing it. So Apurva, I want to ask from you how AI is affecting humans in the negative sense.
So as we all know that AI enables highly realistic videos that can manipulate the audience, and it can definitely hurt human sentiments and someone's reputation, and it can manipulate the audience and provide misinformation. As we can see that many of the public figures are getting trapped on in this AI thing, as Alia Bhatt, Rashmika Mandan, Sara Tendulkar, and if we see on internet, 90% of the videos are pornographic, and mostly women are getting trapped in this thing.
There is a lot of misuses of AI. At some point it can be controlled. So Chandan, what do you think how it can be controlled and it will help in future for innovation, AI?
I agree with Apurva that deep fake videos can hurt human sentiments. But in my opinion, this is not a problem of generative AI or that AI can edit such videos in a shorter time. This can also be done before when AI was not there. through software like Photoshop, etc.
So,
But in my opinion, critical thinking should be promoted, and to save people from judging someone's character. This is not a problem of AI, this is a problem of lacking the skills of critical thinking.
so critical thinking should be disseminated among the people. So let's take some questions from audience.
Hello, my name is Preksha and I want to ask question from the expert that is there any misconception in their opinion about AI which they think that needs to get more attention?
Hello, my name is Aditi. So my question is, what are the implications of AI on creativity and human decision making process?
Hello, this is Ishika, and my question to the expert is that what are the risks and implications we can see in the society as there is the widespread adoption of AI?
First of all, I would like to answer to Mr. Aditi that, in my opinion, creativity, AI is promoting creativity by filling up space. You can also imagine it like this. When you have free space in your day-to-day life, you have a lot of things to think about, and you can also think of creative things to create something new. And when you have a busy calendar, it's hard to imagine to create something new because you are because there are lots of things, lots of mechanical tasks that are being piled up in the brain that does not give you space to think about new things.
I would like to answer you. Talking about implications, we can tell our audiences, first of all, we need to aware that AI is just a tool. We should not be completely dependent on it. And we should, talking about education sector, we should aware the children that they can use different resources like books, journals and websites, and they should always work on their creativity and originality. And I think some policies should be implemented on higher level schools by the professors.
As you all know that innovation is important for the development. So I want to know from you that what do you think, how people should AI in the balanced manner for the development?
First of all, I think, as I said, people should know that AI is just a tool, and talking about balanced manner, they should learn they should learn how to use AI in a limited scale. And for that, I think first of all, they need to do their work by themselves, not being completely dependent on something, and they should do physical work to be active.
Thank you, Purva. Today we have discussed about the various aspects of AI. We have discussed its advantages and disadvantages. It is important to use the innovation like AI for the development. Thank you so much for watching.